Let's check out the glute pump. A glute pump, ab pump, period. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelsie. I am a certified personal trainer. So today's video, I'm bringing you guys a glute and ab workout that you can do at home. No equipment needed, no noise workout. So if you guys are ready for this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And would you guys please comment any video suggestions that you like to see on my channel so I can go ahead and make those for you. Follow me on Instagram because I do post a lot more on there. So my Instagram name will be on the screen or in the description box. Let's get into it. Hey guys, it's Nelsie from the future. So I'm editing this video right now as we speak, and I'm having a lot of trouble with adding in the 30-second timer and the 10-second rest timer. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover, but you guys enjoy the music and enjoy this workout. 30 seconds on the clock. We're starting off with Russian twist. You want to keep your core tight and twist slowly to each side.
She say she want me. I got 3 hoes and they on me. Can't fuck with niggas, they phony. I fucked your bitch, she was lonely, yeah, lonely. She say she want me. I got 3 hoes and they on me. Can't fuck with niggas, they phony. I fucked your bitch, she was lonely, yeah, lonely. She said she want a nigga.
30 seconds on the clock. We're doing bicycle crunches. You want to keep your core tight and move slowly, not fast.
Running over you. See, I hop in the stoop. I ain't hop in the field. But if you move wrong, my nigga, you get popped like a pill. Vibing to my song, little baby, I'm trying to sign a deal. Little baby, I'm trying to get a meal. Pull up in a foreign. So you know how I move. I got 3 foreign bitches trying to fuck the crew. I got 2 or 3 ops, so you know we gon' shoot, yeah, yeah. So you know we gon' shoot. She say she want me.
Resting.
I got 3 hoes and they on me. Can't fuck with niggas, they phony. I fucked your bitch, she was lonely, yeah, long.
30 seconds on the clock, and we have reverse crunches. So you want to lift with your core, not your legs, and keep your core tight throughout the whole movement.
She said she want me, tell that hoe get around me. On my lonely, I'm a soul, got that warn me. My apology, what ain't why your best friend topping me. Papa Molly, give me Brantley.
Keep going, you got this, push through.
I let my 9 hang with my nuts at. When you give me brain, don't forget that. I need that. Hit a lick for 2 bins, then I flip that. No rat cap. Try to run up on me, push your shit back.
30 seconds back on the clock.
Niggas, they phony. I fucked your bitch, she was lonely, yeah, lonely.
Get my hand in the water, fuck a freezer. Fuck a mixed bitch on the beach, then I leave her. I broke the stove, so I put it in the beaker. Left my ex bitch, cause she said I couldn't treat her. Wrap my cheddar up, now I'm dripping Velveeta. She said she want me, but this ain't what she want. I said it was forever, then I had to let her go. I
Resting.
Take the nigga out his clothes. In the kitchen whipping, but I ain't cooking Campbell's. I'm on go. You know I'm serving pressure if you say you want smoke. Mac 11 got a tendency to blow.
30 seconds back on the clock.
And you know we rock the show. If she want me, I make it eat a dick like she hungry. Flip a packet, now you feeling like you Tony. I know you want me. Gangsta fever got a nigga dolo. If we fuck, better keep it on the low. I'm a Z, so you know I want the cocoa. Don't play with my teeth before
She
I take
say
a
she
photo.
want me. I got 3 hoes and they on me. Can't fuck with niggas, they phony.
Switch
I fucked
sides.
your bitch, she was lonely, yeah, lonely. She say she want me. I got 3 hoes and they on me. Can't fuck with niggas, they phony. I fucked your bitch, she was lonely, yeah, lonely.
Resting.
Faded in this dark and smoky room. Wait.
30 seconds back on the clock.
Reflecting bright green, reds and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna this whole thing out like I do every time. Fire is
No break this time, jump right into it.
I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
No break this time, jump right into it.
In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control.
No break this time, jump right into it. This is a hard one, guys, but push through. You can do it. Resting. Moving on to glutes with a little bit of abs. We're doing each exercise for 30 seconds. Use your mind to muscle connection to make sure that you are concentrating through every movement. Switch sides.
You can take my sit, baseline hit, some more 8-line this. Buy me a whip, then I take my pick, then I find me a chick I can make my itch. Darkness in motion, it's a 16 bar from the dark of the ocean.
Resting. 30 seconds back on the clock. We're halfway there, guys. Push through. You can do this.
Light work. I rep mine, got a sword for the dagger in the best one. Young boy and I'm babbling the best line. And you know I give a fuck about sometimes, yeah. Oh, your shams, you can take my sit. Baseline hit, some more 8-line this. Oh, your shams, you can take my sit. Baseline hit, some more 8-line this.
Switch sides.
Your shams, you can take my sit. Baseline hit, some more. Buy me a whip, then I take my pick, then I find me a chick I can make my itch. Darkness in motion, it's a 16 bar from the dark of the ocean. Flow penetrates, egos with the dark of the broken. Meanwhile, in the hell smoking, won't let me get my roaching. Been promoting the green and the pure as dirt. MPs get vexed and they slur their words. On daytime telly, but they blur with her. Light work. I rep mine, got a sword for the dagger in the best one. Young boy and I'm babbling the best lines. And you know I give a fuck about sometimes, yeah. Oh, your shams, you can take my sit. Baseline hit, some more 8-line.
No break this time. Jump right into it.
Your shams, you can take my sit.
I take my pick, then I find me a chick that can make my itch.
Switch sides. No break this time, jump right into it. No break this time, jump right into it. Resting. "30 seconds back on the clock. We're almost done. Push through. Don't give up." No break this time, jump right into it. No break this time, jump right into it. Switch sides. Resting. "30 seconds back on the clock." switch sides. Well done, guys. Good job. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let's check out the glute pump. Hey. Glute pump. Ab pump. Period. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and comment down below any video suggestions that you'd like to see on my channel, and I will make that happen. Whatever it is. It doesn't have to be fitness related. It can be beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, whatever. And I will do it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Like I go country, car run by. I can go bust, eye for eye. I can lose trust.